Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got these here. These are travel towel set. I'll show you. Like that's what it looks like here. It's weird. It's written backwards on this, or maybe it's something inside that it's written on. But let's see. We'll open it up here, and I'll show you guys what we got here. Oh yeah, how funny is that? Okay. Oops, I dropped one. But you see the way this is here? I think it's like backwards the way they're writing this. Because even when I take stuff out. Backwards, so you would have to read it this way. It says fancyou. It's funny that they printed it like that. But okay, but irregardless, so these are going to be huge towels, and there's a bunch of small towels, and there's going to be some medium towels like this. I think those are the three sizes that we have here. So let's try out one of these here, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about what these are. And these are great for I went to Africa last summer, and something like this. I had some of the little ones. I didn't have any of the big ones, but these are so great when you just want to like a refresh yourself kind of towel. Look, as I put the water on this thing, look how big this thing is going to get. I've never used these middle-sized ones, but look at this. And it's like, it's not like a regular washcloth. It's more of a, not really gauze either, but it is, you know, it's more than just paper. I don't know what it is, some sort of cotton, I guess. But these are great little towels. And look how big this thing got. This towel here, like a washcloth size, was this when it started. So these are awesome for just like, you know, cleaning up things and stuff. Like when we were on a trip, we just cleaned off the bicycles. We were biking and stuff like that, and just when you get hot, you just do that. This is great. These are awesome. So I'm gonna say these towels are good. These ones here are probably gonna be huge. These would probably be good for like if you take a shower. So I'm saving this one for right now. And the little ones are just little hand ones too. The little ones are the ones that we use. These ones here are nice and big. So these are awesome. I love these little towels. So this is it. It's a fancyou travel towel set and compressed from nature. So I like it. Thumbs up.